Okay, no doubt about it. We got a freight train here in Saint Laurent, the Saint Laurent sub, right after the commuter. So it should be the CN freight. And it is. This is the first time I've gotten a freight train at this location. And this is going to be a good one. It's 5 o'clock p.m. on the 21st of November, 2023. This is a cool night train. Well lit. Really good spot. And this is a lot of tankers. It's a tanker train. So they do move a lot of tanker related products up here. Just at times we don't see. Oh yeah, that's awesome. What an amazing freight train. Came right after the commuter train. It's about 0 degrees here in Montreal today too. Not the warmest of days for train spotting. Well worth it. This is actually a much better spot than where I was at the St. Paul Bridge, the St. Paul Boulevard Bridge. This is so much better lit. This might even be better lit than Dorval. And there it goes, that's the last car. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.